Hello traders, hello investors, how are you doing today my friends? Welcome to another video here in the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan and today the S&P is going up more than 2%, that's quite crazy. The NASDAQ is going up roughly 1.70% right now, that's very good but not as crazy as the S&P. Let's talk about the price action on both indices and do a complete analysis of what's going on in this market. If you are already my subscriber, remember to click on the like button to support this channel. If you are new around here, consider subscribing because I do believe you're going to like our content. Right now, SPY. What SPY is doing? SPY lost the 21 exponential moving average yesterday. However, as we were already expecting, it just retested this red line along with the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement. That point was a dual support level, meaning a very strong support level. The odds of a reaction are always pretty high when any asset class is near a point like this one. So, okay, the SPY reacted as expected. Right now, we are trading very close to the previous resistance level over here. So, what does that mean to us? It means that we have a possible bullish pivot point. We have this going on. We have a bottom, a high, a bottom higher than the previous bottom, and right now we are about to do a new high. What's going to happen from here? Well, we could see another pullback. Yes, that's totally acceptable. However, the pullback must not lose again the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement. If this happens, the bullish thesis is going to be totally ruined. The market might understand this as a double top short pattern and we might correct to lower levels. But a pullback is acceptable right now as long as we don't lose this point. But if it does a pullback, that's fine. It does not gonna change the bullish thesis on SPY that the next target is $446. I do believe we're gonna fill this gap next. QQQ, we do have a similar reading, but we are not quite there yet. I mean, we still have yet to retest this resistance level, but at the moment we break this point, I do believe we're gonna fill this gap next. And then I do believe we're going to retest the next resistance level around $370 again. SPY is a little bit weaker than QQQ because QQQ didn't even retest the 38.2% retracement. We just dropped it near the EMA. Right now we are going up again. That's quite good. And okay, we do have some bullish configurations right now. That's perfect. In the daily chart, we do have our first challenge. In the daily chart, we have yet to break the EMA on SPY. QQQ is also under the EMA, but okay, in my humble opinion, look at this volume over here. It feels like it is struggling a little bit. SPY has the same pattern. It feels like we are struggling, moving sideways the past 4 days, only because the volume is not that good, only because the market is cautious. It feels like very few people are actually selling in these levels because nobody is crazy to sell near the EMA, okay? So right now the risk-reward ratio makes no sense for the sellers. It is much more interesting to be neutral, or if you want to buy, wait for a crystal clear buy opportunity. Either way, I think SPY and QQQ are looking good in the short and mid-term. However, they are not looking as good as our swing trading portfolio. Hey, the Finance Hydra trading newsletter. Check our trading newsletter if you want to beat the market. It's the only newsletter that can beat the market consistently and with public results. You may click here and check all of our previous results. Here in this public document, I will update our performance every single week. In the last 52 weeks, we had a performance of almost 70%, S&P 14%, an alpha of 52.23%. That's a brutal performance. You may have access to this brutal performance if you just subscribe at our trading newsletter. 7 days trial, you will get the first one for free, so why not? What do you have to lose? What can you possibly lose by subscribing at my trading newsletter? So right now, I think nothing. And if we consider how the market is doing, Tesla. Okay, Tesla is dropping. It is having a very hard time at the EMA, but the other mega caps are doing amazingly well. Amazon possibly is going to trigger a bullish pivot point over here in the daily chart, in the 1 hour chart as well. It seems like this is a flag pattern, am I right? Can you see this going on Amazon? Something like that, right? It's not a perfect flag, but it seems it is a flag. By breaking 30.90 over here, this black line, I think it's going to trigger a very nice bullish reversal in the midterm, and potentially we're going to retest 33.37. Apple is about to retest its EMA again, but we do have a bullish configuration in the 1 hour chart. In my humble opinion, Tesla will hit 176, filling these two last gaps over here, these yellowish areas. So I do believe these gaps are going to help Apple's price, and we are going to see it retesting 176. Nvidia is about to trigger this pivot point at 246 over here, this red line. I do believe by triggering this red line, we are going to fill this gap and retest 269. By doing that, we're going to break this purple line for good for the first time, and we could see a very nice bullish reversal for the midterm. Google is struggling at the EMA, but I like the fact the volume is decreasing over here. So Google is looking just weak. We don't see crystal clear bearish structure. And in my humble opinion, we also have a flag pattern on Google. By breaking this red line, 2708, I do believe we're gonna do a very nice bullish reversal, and we could potentially retest the 3K again. Facebook is the most problematic mega cap. I don't know if we can consider it a mega cap right now, but by breaking $213, I do believe we can retest at least $234. Now, Microsoft is also breaking its pivot point, which is great. We do have something like a flag pattern over here. I see Microsoft retesting the previous resistance at $315. So we do have many bullish signs on the market, okay? Many bullish signs. And how the S&P is going to react? Probably it's going to follow because it's the S&P. So we do have a bullish thesis in our hand. However, if we lose, again, we must not lose the 38.2% retracement. If we do that, many stocks are going to trigger their stop losses. Many stocks are not going to look that good. So let's pay attention to this support level in the next few days. Either way, I will keep you guys updated. Thank you very much for watching this video. Stay safe. Farewell.